Hey guys, it's me Patrick here, and today we're unboxing this Fortnite thing, and I'm the first one to get it, and I'm so excited. So let's just unbox
Show us
it.
what it is. Just have a wee
Yes. So I think there are more blocks in there.
Jessica, read the names of the characters.
I'm the person.
Okay, so he's gonna be Raven and I'm Jocelyn. He's like one of the default skins. And don't you have Raven, Patrick?
I have.
We play Fortnite a lot as well, so
Turn around the back of it.
this is the back.
Jessica's going to help him today to build this.
Yep.
Yes, but I think it's going to. This is going to be what we have. So
I don't know about that, but
We're going to try and
I'll
collect
be
all
back.
these characters.
I need to get some scissors.
I don't know if you need to.
Give them to Jessica.
I need some.
Sit down, Patrick. Patrick, sit down and say,
I'm just so excited. Yes, I'll open it up.
Patrick, wait.
Look how much stuff there is.
Show us, I want to see. I have to see.
Yeah.
And
So this is what it looks like on the inside.
And if you guys have this, I'm pretty sure you have this all built already.
We way more than we thought I had. We both have a stack of this, right?
Yeah,
So you have a stack and I have a stack.
It's all this bits here. These bits are mine.
Right, build the thing before we even pick the characters out.
Okay, let's build it.
Okay,
Right there, I already told you.
so you can have that and I will.
So guys, we're going to show you how to build
So
this.
this is metal. This is brick.
This is the box.
And this is wood.
We're building our own structures.
So I don't think we need the manual. I think, it tells you all the guns. If you want to have the guns and the characters. But I'll show you today. I have if it's on here. Mine's actually not on here right now, but what was I gonna say? My favorite gun is
My favorite gun is a revolver.
is the golden minigun.
My favorite gun is a minigun.
Let's show everyone what we
My
can
favorite gun
collect.
is the minigun.
Guys, this is what
And
we
the
can
heavy
collect.
sniper, I always used to fight her with. And
Yeah.
the revolver, because I am really good with revolvers.
Right, let's get this thing built.
But we're all going to build our own structures each.
Yeah.
But we aren't going to copy the thing. So we just want to make our own things up. Because it would be quite hard.
Maybe at the end just could have a wee fight.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even take these out.
We should make more Fortnite videos on the channel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Comment down below if you want that.
But she has her own YouTube channel herself.
Keep building now.
How did you do that? Okay.
So what, Patrick, how excited are you to get this?
I was so excited. I never even know I got it.
This is what Patrick got for his award on Friday.
Yeah. See if you be good, you get a reward.
You have to try really hard.
I can't even get this to connect.
I'll help you in a minute. Yeah, we connect a wee bit, Patrick.
What would you like next, Patrick, for this? More characters or wee mini boxes?
Wait, more of these and more characters. Because what you call it? I think every time we might just put the same thing. And most of what do you call it? And she might be in most of our Fortnite videos because she comes up at most of the Fridays.
Yeah, I love Fortnite as well. I'm hiding here so you can't get me yet.
What did you build?
We built like stairs here so we can fight each other there, like a wee ring under here. This is my base where I can hide in here.
And
Go
I have
for
a
the
little
bridge,
and
and you can go for the bridge as well.
I have a secret hideout in here which she doesn't know about, but now she obviously knows about it.
Because you just said it.
Yeah. If you take that bit off and you go on it, I'll show you.
You can go underneath too, look.
I know.
So now let's start the game now. 3, 2, 1. Go.
I'm coming for you. Not before I get you first.
I can't even get out.
I'm going to snipe you.
You can't snipe me from that one here yet.
No, I moved a bit so you didn't kill me. Okay, I need to get my gun in.
Okay, so I missed you, but like you missed me as well, so we're both still
Alive.
alive.
I'm just going
But-
to I picked the axe down. And guys,
But pretend you can't see me yet, okay?
where is she?
Where could the noob skin be? I do not know.
It's because your skin is a noob. She's coming.
Headshot.
You have one kill, I don't.
Yeah.
Ready? Run 2.
Look,
And
I
and
see.
guys, there are only 4 rounds. On
yeah,
this
4
video.
rounds.
You won round 1.
And let's see who was round 2. But you can't get me from inside.
No, we don't. Just let me finish my little hut. I want to do something. I want to make a hideout. How do I like it?
Patrick.
What?
Come on, you have to hide out anyway, so it's fine.
No, I moved a bit.
What?
I moved a bit.
No, you're like here and I was like,
No, that one didn't. That didn't count. So this one more time.
right. But all the other rounds count, okay?
Round 2 begins. No, she keeps cheating.
Really?
She's cheating.
It's not cheating.
No, that didn't count. You were like this.
2 more rounds.
No, I won.
No, you
2.
didn't.
I won 2 rounds because of her.
You did.
I did. Oh my god. This video's really because of me.
Oh my god.
Say bye, Jessica.
Bye.
What do you guys say?
Subscribe to the channel, leave a like and comment down below your best part and if you want more Fortnite.